Welcome back to Sci-Fi Humanity, where we dive into extraordinary tales from the far reaches of the galaxy. Today, we bring you, after the Galactic Council betrayed humans, so we warned them. Run. Join us as we explore the dramatic events that unfolded when humanity's dreams of interstellar unity turned into a struggle for survival and justice. Let's dive in. Humanity's induction into the Galactic Council was a momentous event marked by ceremonial grandeur and galaxy-wide broadcasts. The diverse peoples of Earth reveled in the promise of a united interstellar future. The Council, a centuries-old coalition of advanced civilizations, had recognized humanity for its rapid ascent in the cosmos and its undying spirit of exploration and innovation. As Earth's delegates walked the Council's revered halls, they were greeted with enthusiasm by many, all eager to integrate humanity's potential into the fabric of galactic society. Trade agreements blossomed, setting forth a new era of economic prosperity. Science and technology flourished as human ingenuity merged with alien advancements, unleashing a wave of progress and optimism. Yet beneath this veneer of cordiality and cooperation, there brewed a silent storm of resentment and fear. Several elder races of the Council, who had watched the rise of humans with wary eyes, now saw them as upstarts disrupting a delicate cosmic balance. Jealous of humanity's growing influence, these factions quietly sought to maintain their historical dominance. Strategically, they began sowing seeds of division, manipulating events to cast doubt on humanity's intentions. Incidents were staged, and blame was cast, all designed to tarnish the reputation of Earth's representatives. With every diplomatic incident, the threads of trust were pulled, gradually fraying the fabric of the alliance. While humans continued their outreach with characteristic hope and drive, the Council's shadowy corners whispered of Earth's undue ambition. Alliances within the Council that had stood unchallenged for ages now faced a challenge they were unprepared to meet with grace. In the gathering dark, murmurs of a conspiracy against Earth began to spread, marking the start of a saga that would test the resilience of humanity's place among the stars. With Earth officially a member of the Galactic Council, human envoys found themselves entangled in the complex web of interstellar politics. Their fresh outlook and rapid response to galactic issues made them popular among the newer members of the Council, who had long sought reform within the stagnant political structure. Yet this popularity only deepened the rifts within the Council. The ancient civilizations that made up its core saw humanity's ascendancy as a threat to the old ways. Behind closed doors, a faction led by the enigmatic Thulrians began to conspire against Earth, planting the seeds of humanity's downfall. This cabal orchestrated a series of accidents and incidents across human space, framing them as negligence on the part of Earth's governance. Secret pacts were made, and agreements were struck in the dark, all aiming to undermine humanity's standing within the Council. As Earth's envoys worked to navigate through these troubles, their every move was watched and often obstructed by bureaucratic maneuvering. The Thulrians, skilled in the art of subterfuge, leaked false communications and reports, painting the humans as aggressors and violators of Council law. The humans, for their part, responded to each accusation with evidence and reason, but the court of public opinion was beginning to turn against them. The orchestrated events took their toll, straining the relationships that Earth had worked so hard to build. The climax of the Thulrian scheme came when a human diplomatic vessel was implicated in the destruction of a sacred site revered by several Council species. Despite the humans' pleas of innocence and their own logs suggesting sabotage, the Council's verdict was swift and without appeal. Humankind's representatives were cast out from the inner circles of power, their voices silenced, and their presence in the Council chambers reduced to mere observance. With a single well-orchestrated lie, Earth's allies within the Council dwindled, leaving the humans isolated in a sea of stars they had only just begun to navigate. The indictment was unexpected and severe. Earth, whose endeavors had been driven by a thirst for knowledge and unity, now stood accused of the gravest crime in the Council's statutes, initiating aggression against a member species. Evidence, falsified yet convincing, was presented before the Council, implicating Earth in an unprovoked attack on a Thul-Ryan outpost. Humanity's delegates, staunch in their defense, were met with cold indifference. The trial was a spectacle, a performance orchestrated by their accusers. Each piece of proof the humans offered was dismissed. The Council's once receptive members turned a deaf ear, swayed by the deceitful narrative woven by their conspirators. The swift judgment that followed branded Earth as a rogue civilization. Sanctions were imposed, curtailing human exploration and trade. Diplomatic relations soured, and former allies withdrew their embassies, fearing repercussions from association with the newly pariah Earth. Amidst the turmoil, Earth's ambassadors issued a final statement, their voices resonant with a mixture of indignation and warning. "We are not the aggressors you have been led to believe," they declared. "But make no mistake, we will defend ourselves. To those who stand against us, run while you still can." This message rippled through Council space, a stark departure from humanity's usual diplomatic stance. It spoke not of submission, but of a quiet, simmering strength waiting to be unleashed. Back on Earth, news of the betrayal ignited a firestorm. Unity not seen since the early days of space exploration rekindled among the nations of the world. The prospect of standing alone against a galaxy of enemies bound humanity closer than ever. Earth's governments, military, and citizens readied themselves for the repercussions of the Council's decision. The sentiment was not fear, but a resolute determination to face whatever challenges lay ahead. The Galactic Council's ruling rolled through the cosmos, leaving Earth's interstellar aspirations in tatters. As trade embargoes took effect, vital resources from across the stars dwindled. Human outposts on distant moons and planets found themselves cut off from support, left to fend for themselves against a galaxy that had suddenly turned hostile. Earth's once bustling spaceports quieted, the flow of alien visitors and traders reduced to a trickle of smugglers and those few who dared to defy the Council's edicts. The flourishing exchange of culture and technology that had marked humanity's entry into the Council was replaced by a stifling blockade. In the face of this backlash, Earth's leaders refused to bow to despair. They extended a call to action, rallying the collective spirit and ingenuity of the planet. Factories that had once built modules for peaceful space stations now turned their efforts to constructing defense satellites and warships. Scientists and engineers, previously engaged in civilian pursuits, now devoted their expertise to advancing Earth's military capabilities. The response from the human military was equally swift and decisive. Fleets were mobilized, defensive perimeters around Earth and the Moon were reinforced, and every possible scenario was war-gamed by the brightest strategic minds humanity had to offer. As Earth fortified its defenses, the Council watched with wary eyes. Their aim had been to constrain humanity, to pull the reins on a species advancing too quickly for their comfort. Instead, they had forced Earth's hand, compelling humans to demonstrate their capacity for war as much as they had for peace. The human diplomats, once emissaries of exploration and friendship, were now messengers of a grimmer reality. They traversed the space lanes, warning those who had supported the sanctions to reconsider. "Run," they said, "for Earth will not yield its sovereignty nor its right to the stars. We will stand strong against you and with you, but we will stand." This call to arms resonated with Earth's populace and its defenders in the sky above. If the galaxy would not accept them as partners, then humanity would face it as adversaries. But even in the shadow of war, Earth's message remained clear. It was not too late for peace, if only the Council would listen. Earth stood isolated but undeterred, a solitary world bracing against a galactic tide. The sanctions had brought hardship, but they had also ignited a defiant determination to survive and thrive despite the Council's condemnation. Across the planet, a collective effort emerged as the populace rallied to support their world. Former competitors in the global arena set aside their differences, uniting under the cause of planetary defense. Industries pivoted with remarkable speed, repurposing commercial technology for military might. Mining operations on Earth and the asteroid belt intensified, extracting the necessary materials to fuel the war effort. In hidden silos and shipyards, a formidable fleet was being assembled. The design of these vessels was unlike anything the galaxy had seen, a hybrid of human innovation and the best of alien technology they had managed to acquire before the embargo. The people of Earth, from engineers to soldiers, worked with a shared purpose. Training regimes for the military were overhauled, incorporating combat techniques that combined human tactics with the alien strategies they had learned during their brief stint in the Council. The EDF Earth Defense Force was established, an organization that drew its ranks from every corner of the planet, representing the best and bravest Earth had to offer. Their mandate was clear: to protect their home from any extraterrestrial threat and to secure humanity's place among the stars. The government's message to its people was clear: the galaxy may have turned its back on us, but we will show them the strength of our resolve. We will not be intimidated. We will not be subjugated. We are Earthlings, and we will endure. The military posturing and fervent activity on Earth did not go unnoticed by the Council. As reports of humanity's preparations filtered back to the Council's chambers, those who had once dismissed humans as a minor threat began to second-guess their stance. The Council had intended to rein in a potential rival. Instead, they had incited the rapid militar. Earth's place within it was restored, but the scars of the recent past lingered. Trust needed to be rebuilt, alliances strengthened, and the lessons learned from the betrayal etched into the collective memory of humanity and its allies. Earth's return to the Council was marked by a renewed commitment to transparency and cooperation. Human delegates, now seasoned by their trials, approached their roles with a blend of caution and determination, mindful of the delicate balance of power that defined the interstellar body. As the galaxy adjusted to the new status quo, humanity's innovations in science and technology once again began to shine. The melding of human creativity with alien wisdom led to breakthroughs that promised to benefit all member species. Projects that had been stalled by the sanctions were resumed with vigor, and new initiatives were launched to foster unity and shared progress. On Earth, the atmosphere was one of cautious optimism. The populace, having endured a period of isolation and hardship, celebrated their resilience and the vindication of their efforts. Industries that had been repurposed for war were now redirected towards peaceful endeavors, and the focus shifted from survival to thriving in a galactic community. The Earth Defense Force, while remaining vigilant, also played a key role in humanitarian missions, assisting those in need across the stars. This dual approach of strength and compassion helped to mend fences and build bridges, showcasing the true spirit of humanity. In the years that followed, Earth's influence within the Council grew, not through dominance, but through leadership and vision. The reforms that had been set in motion began to bear fruit, leading to a more inclusive and dynamic galactic society. Human representatives were instrumental in mediating conflicts, fostering collaboration, and ensuring that the mistakes of the past were not repeated. The story of humanity's induction, betrayal, and ultimate vindication became a symbol of hope and determination for countless species. It was a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming odds, perseverance, integrity, and unity could prevail. As Earth's star continued to rise, it carried with it the dreams and aspirations of a species that had once been confined to a single planet. Now, as members of a vast and vibrant galactic community, humans stood ready to face whatever challenges the future might hold, armed with the lessons of their past and the strength of their collective spirit. And so, humanity's journey among the stars continued, a testament to their unyielding resolve and their enduring quest for knowledge, peace, and a place in the cosmos. As the years passed, Earth's integration into the Galactic Council proved to be more than just a political victory. It became a beacon of hope for other aspiring civilizations. Earth's journey from the brink of exclusion to a position of influence and respect showcased the power of resilience and adaptability. The Harmony Corps, initially a small initiative, grew into a significant force for peace and stability. Led by humans and supported by diverse species, the Corps tackled conflicts with a unique blend of diplomacy, strategic acumen, and a deep understanding of cultural nuances. Their efforts prevented numerous potential wars and fostered cooperation among even the most unlikely allies. One of the most notable achievements of the Harmony Corps was the resolution of the Zilor crisis. The Zilor, a warrior race with a rigid code of honor, had long been at odds with their neighboring systems. Through patient negotiation and strategic interventions, the Corps, led by Alex, managed to broker a peace that respected the Zellers' traditions while ensuring the safety and sovereignty of their neighbors. This success solidified the Corps' reputation and highlighted the potential for peaceful solutions even in seemingly intractable conflicts. Back on Earth, scientific and cultural exchanges flourished. Alien scholars visited human universities, sharing knowledge and learning about human advancements in fields such as medicine, engineering, and the arts. These exchanges enriched both Earth and its interstellar partners, leading to innovations that improved the quality of life across the galaxy. The Alters, once wary of humanity, became close allies. Their initial shock at humanity's nature evolved into a deep respect and camaraderie. Joint ventures in space exploration and environmental restoration projects showcased the potential of collaborative efforts. Together, they tackled challenges such as terraforming hostile planets and developing sustainable energy sources. Humanity's role in the galactic community also inspired many to look inward and address their own issues. Environmental restoration efforts on Earth saw significant advancements, with the help of alien technologies and insights. Cities became greener, oceans cleaner, and biodiversity began to recover. The lessons learned from their galactic counterparts emphasized the importance of preserving their home planet even as they expanded their presence in the stars. Cultural exchanges became a cornerstone of interstellar relations. Festivals celebrating diversity, music, art, and storytelling brought species together, fostering mutual understanding and appreciation. Earth's rich history and cultural heritage captivated many, leading to a renaissance of sorts where ancient human traditions found new life and relevance in a broader galactic context. In this new era, humanity's military prowess was complemented by their capacity for empathy and cooperation. The lessons from their turbulent history were not forgotten, but rather used to guide their actions. The phrase, "humans are our weapon," took on a dual meaning, reflecting both their strength in defense and their ability to wield compassion as a powerful tool for change. As Earth's influence grew, so did its responsibility. Human leaders, aware of the weight of their position, approached their roles with humility and a commitment to justice. The Council, once skeptical, now looked to humanity as a source of inspiration and guidance. The story of Earth's journey from isolation to integration became a legend, a narrative passed down through generations of galactic citizens. It was a tale of perseverance, adaptability, and the unbreakable spirit of a species that had once gazed at the stars with wonder and now walked among them as equals. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, humanity's thread was one of vibrant colors, weaving connections and creating patterns that enriched the entire fabric. The future held countless possibilities, and with each step forward, humanity embraced the unknown with courage and hope, ready to shape their destiny among the stars. And so, the adventure continued, a testament to the endless potential of the human spirit and the boundless wonders of a universe waiting to be explored. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Humanity. Humanity's resilience and determination transformed betrayal into a powerful warning that echoed through the galaxy. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible stories from the frontier of science fiction. Until next time, keep exploring the stars.